is S.Sanjeev.
My name is S.Sai Kumar.
My name is S.Maha purneshwar.
Hello everyone, this is S.Maha purneshwar, negotiator of the team Chanakya. This is our self-proposed project named Artificial Intelligence. We are doing this project under the guidance of Dr. Anoop Kumar Tiwari sir. Thank you. Now I want to take you on a journey through the fascinating history of Artificial Intelligence or AI, a field that has transformed the way we love, work and think about the future. The origins of AI. The story of AI begins long before the advent of modern technology. Humans have always dreamed of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. Ancient myths and legends such as the mechanical servants of Hephaestus in Greek mythology and the golem in Jewish folklore reveals humanity's fascination with artificial begins. These early ideas planted the seeds for what we now call AI. The philosophical foundation of AI was led by thinkers like René Descartes, who pondered the nature of human thought, and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, who envisioned a universal language that could mechanize reasoning. These ideas laid the groundwork for later developments of AI in logic and computation. The birth of AI as a field. The modern history of AI begins in the mid-20th century. One of the most pivotal figures was Alan Turing, often called the father of computer science, in 1950. Turing published a groundbreaking paper, Computing, Machinery and Artificial Intelligence, where he introduced the Turing test, a way to measure whether a machine could exhibit human-like intelligence. His ideas about machines thinking like humans sparked the imagination of researchers around the world. In 1956, the theme Artificial Intelligence was officially coined at the Dartmouth Conference, a landmark event in AI history, organized by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Nathaniel Rochester and Claude Stanhorn. This conference brought together brilliant minds who provisioned a future where machines could learn and solve problems. Early AI problems like the logic theorist created by Alan Neville and Herbert Simon demonstrated machines solving logical problems, showing the first wave of AI development. The 1960s and 70s were a time of optimism for AI. Researchers developed systems capable of solving mathematical problems, playing games like chess and proving theorems. Notable projects included ELIZA, an early natural language processing program created by Joseph Weizenbaum, and SHRDLU, a system that could understand and interact with simple block words. Despite these successes, limitations soon became apparent. Early AI systems relied heavily on rules and were not equipped to handle complex, real-world scenarios. By the 1970s, enthusiasm waned as funding dried up, leading to the first AI winter, a period of slowed process and reduced interest. Next, the rise of expert systems. In the 1980s, AI experienced a resurgence with the development of expert systems. These programs were designed to emulate human decision making in specific domains such as medical diagnosis or financial analysis. A famous example is MYCIN, M-Y-C-I-N, a system that helped diagnose infectious diseases. While expert systems demonstrated the practical potential of AI, they also had significant limitations. They required extensive human input to define rules, and their performance degraded when faced with unfamiliar situations. Next, the era of machine learning. The 1990s marked a turning point of AI with the emergence of machine learning, a new approach that allowed systems to learn from data rather than relying solely on predefined rules. This shift was driven by advances in computing power, the availability of large datasets, and improvements in algorithms. One of the most famous milestones came in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This victory highlighted the power of AI to perform tasks that require strategic thinking. The deep learning revolution is the next topic. In the 21st century, AI entered an era of unprecedented growth, driven by a subfield called deep learning. Deep learning models use neural networks inspired by the human brain to process vast amounts of data. These models have achieved remarkable success in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing and robotics. For example, in 2012, a deep learning system developed by Geography Hinton's team won the ImageNet competition by a significant margin. Revolutionizing computer vision, in 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated a world champion Go player, showcasing AI's ability to master highly complex games. Thank you.
Now I am going to talk about one of the most transformative technologies of our time, artificial intelligence or AI. It has become an integral part of our lives, reshaping industries and enhancing human capabilities. Over the next 5 minutes, I will explore the many advantages of AI, from improving efficiency and decision making of revolutioning industries and advertising some of the humanity's greatest challenges. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to improve efficiency and productivity. AI systems can process large amount of the data faster and more accurately than humans. In industries like manufacturing, AI-powered robots work tirelessly and repetitively tasks without fatigue, reducing production time and costs. In offices, AI tools automate administrative tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and email storing, freeing up time for employees for focus on more creative and strategic works. This efficiently not only saves time and resources but also boosts overall productivity. Improved decision making. AI excels at analyzing data and extracting insights that help organizations make informed decisions. Machine learning algorithms identify patterns and trends in data that may not be apparent to humans. For instance, in financial sector, AI analyzes market data to predict stock movements, helping investors make smarter decisions. In business, AI-powered analytical tools optimize supply chains, manage inventory, and forecast sales, ensuring companies stay competitive in a rapid changing world. Revolutionizing healthcare. AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industries by improving diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Medical imaging systems use AI to detect diseases like cancer, often identify issues earlier and more accurately than human doctors. For example, AI algorithms analyze X-rays, TC scans, and MRIs to detect anomalies that might otherwise be missed. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistant provide round-the-clock support for patients, answering questions, scheduling appointments, and reminding them to take medications. Additionally, AI-driven drugs discovery speeds up the development of new medicines, potentially saving millions of lives. Enhancing customer experience. In digital age, customer experience is crucial, and AI is the helping business deliver personalized and seamless interactions. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant provide instant response to user queries, make our lives more convenient. AI-driven recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify tailor content to individual performances, enhancing user satisfaction. Chatbots and customer services tools provided by AI provide real-time support, resolving issues quickly and efficiently. Transforming education. AI is also transforming education by creating personalized learning experience. Intelligent tutorial systems adapt to each student's learning pace and style, offering tailored lessons and exercises. This individualized approach helps students grasp concepts more effectively. AI tools also assist teachers by automating tasks like grading and administrative work, giving educators more time to focus on teaching. Additionally, language learning apps like Duolingo and AI-driven platforms like Education Accessibility to People worldwide break down graphical and economical barriers. Solving complex problems. AI is uniquely suited to tackle complex global challenges in environmental conversations. AI analyzes satellite images to monitor deforestation, track wildlife, and predict natural disasters. Climate modeling powered by AI helps scientists understanding a mitigate the effect of climate changes. In agriculture, AI optimizes crop yields by analyzing soil data, weather patterns, and pest activities. Smart irrigation system powered by AI conserve water and improve efficiently, ensuring suitable farming practices. Enhancing safety and security. AI plays a critical role in enhancing safety and security in various domains. In transportation, autonomous vehicles equipped with AI improved road safety by reducing human errors. Where are a leading cause of accidents? Advanced driver assistance system (ADAS) in car helps drivers stay safe with which like automatic braking and line keeping assistance. Thank you.
Now I want to talk about a topic that has become an integral part of our lives and shaping the future, artificial intelligence or AI. When AI has brought about numerous advantages and conveniences, the important to critically evaluate its drawbacks. Let us dive into some of the key disadvantages of AI and explore why we need to approach the technology with caution. First one is high costs and development and maintenance. First and foremost, AI is expensive. The design, development and implementation of AI systems require significant financial resources. For hiring skilled professionals to acquiring advanced computing infrastructure, the costs can be overwhelming. Maintaining and updating these systems over time adds to the expenses. The financial barrier means the smaller organizations or underprivileged residents might struggle to access AI benefits, further widening the global inequality gap. Second one is job displacement and unemployment. Another critical concern is how AI is transforming the job market. Automation driven by AI is replacing human inputs that involve repetitive or predictable tasks. For instance, industries like manufacturing, transporting, and customer service are experiencing massive job losses due to AI-driven machines and algorithms. This creates a pressing challenge for the society to retrain and reskill workers for new roles. Without proper intervention, we risk exacerbating unemployment and economic disparity. Third one is privacy and security risks. AI often relies on vast amount of data to function effectively. This arises serious concerns about privacy and security. When AI systems possess sensitive personal information, they become attractive targets for hackers. Moreover, the misuse of an AI in surveillance and or unauthorized data collection can lead to significant breaches of individual privacy. This not only affects personal freedom but also poses risk at societal level also. Fourth one is ethical dilemmas and bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. Unfortunately, data often reflects the bias present in the society. As a result, AI can perpetuate or even amplify discrimination, particularly in areas like hiring, lending, and policy. For example, biased algorithms have unfair targeted minorities in criminal justice systems or rejected job applications based on gender and ethnicity. These ethical challenges highlight the need of stringent oversight and transparent AI development process. Fifth one is over-reliance on AI. In our quest of efficiency, we are increasingly relying on AI systems to make decisions for us. While they may seem convenient, it reduces critical thinking and problem-solving skills in humans. Imagining a future when they so depend heavily on AI that we lose the abilities to make independent decisions. If AI systems fail or worse, malfunctioning the causes could be catastrophic, especially in critical sectors like healthcare and transportation. Sixth one is lack of accountability and transparency. AI systems often operate a black box, meaning the decision-making process are difficult for humans to understand. When something goes wrong, who is held accountable? Is it the developers, the users, or the AI itself? The lack of accountability is a major concern, particularly in high-stake areas or legal systems or autonomous weaponry. Seventh one is environmental impact. Few people realize that AI has a carbon footprint. Training large AI models consumes an enormous amount of energy. For instance, developing a single advanced AI can emit as much carbon dioxide as 5 cars over their 500 lifetimes. In an era where sustainability is a paramount, the environmental cost cannot be ignored. Eighth one is risk of misuse. AI can double-edge its sword. While it has potential for good, it also can be exploited for human harmful purposes. Technologies like deepfakes, which create highly realistic fake images or videos, have been used to spread misinformation and manipulate public opinion. Similarly, facial recognition tools, while useful, can be misused
Now I am going to talk about the future of artificial intelligence or AI and how it's shaping the world we live in. AI has already transformed many aspects of our lives, but what's coming next is even more exciting. Over the next 5 minutes, I will discuss some future trends and innovations in AI in simple terms so we can understand all what's ahead. General AI, moving beyond narrow AI. Right now, most of the AI we call is narrow AI. This means it's designed to do specific tasks like recognizing faces, translating languages, or recommending movies. But in future, scientists are working toward creating general AI, which can think and learn like a human. Imagine a AI system that can solve problems in different areas, learn new skills on its own, and adapt to any situation. This can be a game changer, helping us with complex tasks like specific research or even more solving global problems like climate change. However, building general AI is still a long way off and comes with challenges like making sure it's safe and ethical to use. AI in healthcare. AI is set to revolutionize healthcare in ways we can't fully imagine yet. In the future, AI could help doctors diagnose diseases even before symptoms appear by analyzing data from our wearables, like smartwatches. It can also personalize treatments based on unique genetic makeup. For example, cancer treatment could be much more effective because of AI systems could analyze millions of causes and recommend the best course of action for each patient. AI might also play a role in discovering new drugs faster, helping to combat diseases that currently have no cure. Autonomous system and robotics. Self-driving cars are already being tested on roads, but in the future they will likely become a normal part of our daily lives. These cars will be safer as they can react faster than humans and avoid accidents caused by many distractions or fatigue. Beyond cars, AI-powered robots will help in industries like agriculture, construction, and even space exploration. Imagine robots planting crops, building homes, and exploring our planet. These autonomous systems can make life more efficient and safer for humans. AI and its creativity. Many people think of AI as just a tool for logic and numbers, but it's also getting creative. In the future, AI could help artists, writers, and musicians by generating ideas or even creating new forms of art. For instance, AI programmers can already compose music, write stories, or create beautiful artwork. In the future, this technology will become more advanced, helping humans collaborate with AI to create something entirely new. It's like having a super smart creative partner. AI in education. Education is another area where AI will make a big impact. In the future, AI tutors can help students learn at their own pace, providing AI and environmental sustainability. AI will play a crucial role in protecting our planet. It can help us monitor and fight climate change by analyzing data about weather patterns, deforestation, and carbon emissions. For example, AI can predict natural disasters like hurricanes or floods, giving people more time to prepare and save lives. It can also help optimize energy use, reduce waste, and support sustainable farming and practices. This means AI will be a powerful tool in making the world a greener and healthier place to live in. AI and human interaction. AI is becoming better in understanding human emotions and interacting with us more naturally. In the future, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa might be able to have real conversations, offering emotional support or acting as companions for the elderly. AI-powered systems will also make customer service much smoother. Instead of waiting on hold, you could talk to AI that understands your needs and solve problems instantly. Thank you.
Now, I am going to discuss an important question. Can artificial intelligence or AI affect the human jobs? Answer is yes. The AI is already having a profound impact on job market. However, this impact is not just about job loss. It's a mix of challenges, opportunities. Over the next 5 minutes, I will explore how AI affects jobs, what kind of jobs are at risk, the opportunities what AI creates, and what we can do for changing. For example, in manufacturing, robots assemble products on production lines, reducing the need of manual labor. In customer service, chatbots handle routine questions, replacing some human representatives. In transportation, autonomous vehicles may reduce the need for drivers in the future. This automation is efficient, but it also means some jobs are being replaced or redefined. And second one is jobs most at risk. Some types of jobs are susceptible to automation than others. Generally, repetitive and predictable tasks are the most at risk. This include manufacturing and assembly line jobs. Machines are better than repetitive tasks like welding, sorting, and packaging. Data entry and administrative roles. AI software automates tasks like fitting, scheduling, and data analysis. Retail and cashier jobs, self-checkout, kiosks, and online shopping platforms can reduce the need of the in-person staff. Basic computer service, AI chatbots are replacing humans for simple queries and support tasks. These changes can lead to a job displacement. AI workers in these roles may find their positions eliminated. Jobs less likely to be replaced. While AI is good at repetitive tasks, it struggles with roles that require creativity, empathy, and complex problem solving. Jobs that involve these skills are less likely to be affected, such as creative roles, artists, writers, designers, and musicians rely on human imagination and originality. Healthcare profession, while AI can assist with diagnosis, it cannot replace doctors and nurses who provide care and build trust with patients. Teachers and educators, AI can enhance learning but cannot replace the human connections and mentorship teachers provide. Leadership roles, managers and strategists rely on human judgment, emotional intelligence, and decision making. These jobs highlight the values of unique human skills that AI cannot replace. AI creates new opportunities also. It's not about all job roles. AI also creating new types of jobs and interests. For example, AI development and maintenance. The rise of AI increases demand for data scientists, machine learning engineers, and software developers. AI ethical regulations. AI roles we need experts to address the ethical concerns and create guidelines for responsible uses. Robotics and automated technicians. People are needed to design, maintain, and repair AI-powered machines. New fields. AI is enabling advancements in fields like renewable energy, space exploration, biotechnology, creating new areas. For every job AI replaces, it can also create opportunities often in roles we have never seen before. Adapt to the change. The risk of AI means workers and organizations must adapt to new techniques. Here how. Reskilling, upskilling. Workers are need training to learn new skills that are in demand, such as programming, data analysis, or project management. Lifelong learning. AI technology evolves quickly, so staying adaptable and continuously learning is crucial. Collaboration with AI. Instead of competing with AI, workers can learn to work alongside. For example, doctors use AI for faster diagnosis, and marketers use AI tools to analyze customer behavior. Governments, business, and educational institutions have a role to play in helping people transition into new roles and industries. Ethical and social changes. They also bring challenges that we must address. Job displacement. What happens to the workers whose jobs are automated? How do we ensure they find new opportunities? Economic inequality. If AI benefits certain industries or regions, it is more than others. It could add a gap between the rich and poor. Bias in AI systems must be designed to make fair decisions, especially in the hiring and promotions. By addressing these challenges, we ensure AI benefits everyone, not just its select few. The future of work. Looking ahead, the workplace of the future will likely involve close collaboration between humans and AI. This does not mean humans will be irrelevant. In fact, our skills will have. Thank you.
Our sincere thanks to Dr. Anoop Kumar Tiwari sir for giving us chances to do our project in CCC lab and Dr.
Thank you.